Look at the prep. All right, now we're official.
Flag angle.
Now we're official. Cold, snowy day out here in Jersey. We still made it out over here in Kenilworth at Rowdy's garage. Had to pick up some pizza on the way here. Texted Cody earlier, asked him what his favorite pizza is, and he said, we got to try Sun Tavern. The sign says world famous pizza, but I never heard of it before. So let's bring this pie inside, see what Cody's up to. Pizza delivery! Where is he?
Where is everybody?
Where is everyone?
Where you at?
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, we got the goods.
Sun Tavern, you said.
Goods.
It said world famous.
Hold on, I'm coming down.
Yeah, pop it. Let's
pop it for you.
let's see what it's about. It's still fresh.
What do we get? Woo!
All right.
Look at that.
Thin crust
little
too.
Thin crust action.
So, you take a slice. I'm taking a slice.
There we go.
One slice down. I got to show you guys what's going on downstairs inside the shop. You had a quick sneak peek. Let me show you guys. But for you to really understand what's going on down there, we need Cody to walk us through. All right, here we go. Last slice. And we're bringing it downstairs. I've seen some stuff here while we were eating, and you gotta let the people know, why is this turbo so damn big? It's as big as your head. Pick it up. Could you pick it up with one hand?
There we go.
How big is that?
It's a 94 mil. Radium, comp, and fuel tech.
So you got a whole lot of brand new parts here. Are these for customers, all for one car?
This is just for my car. So
Oh, your car?
Just for my car.
The BMW downstairs?
Yeah.
What's going on down here? For people who don't follow you on Instagram yet, here's Cody's Instagram. Follow him.
Get like right here.
Yeah, there you go. Because you're gonna want to follow this build right here. For those that don't know what they're looking at, even let them know what this polished, shiny motor is.
So this is a billet 3-rotor. So Mazda 20B, but everything's aftermarket and crazy. And
Hold on. Got to flip the camera around for the reaction, because you said rotary powered BMW M4.
BMW M4.
But not a regular rotary either. Full billet aluminum.
No, full billet, built, custom E-shaft, custom dry sump, everything. Everything's billet, crazy, aftermarket, best of the best.
This car is fully gutted. We got to talk more about that. But before we talk about that, let's talk about this pizza, because the people got to know. We have people watching wanting to know if they got to get the slice we just ate. Rated 1 to 10, what are you going to give it?
7-8.
That's
Good.
That's
it's
high.
It's a solid, good slice.
That's high.
7-8.
I was just saying upstairs, Chuck E. Cheese pizza would get a higher rating from me for this. Comment if you've had Chuck E. Cheese pizza, because I don't know if it's just in Jersey. Chuck E. Cheese pizza's lit.
No.
Have you had Chuck E. Cheese pizza?
I've had Chuck E. Cheese pizza.
They got good pizza. This slice right here, if you're local from Jersey, try it out. But I'm gonna give it a soft 5.
Listen.
I'm saying, we gotta go to the other spots you recommended.
We're redoing this. He's gonna get the old world with sausage. We were talking about it upstairs.
All right, so that's different.
Banging. It is
I got the
banging
cheese
slice.
pie, and he's saying that they got a bunch of other pies we gotta try. So Sun Tavern, we'll give you another shot next time I come around.
That's it. Fresh.
And more importantly, let me flip the camera around. Let's talk about. All right, where do we even start? Because you guys see it. The car is fully gutted. I think most people would not know this is what started as a BMW, or it is a BMW M4.
You can kind of tell right there. We got headlights laying there.
We gotta talk about. Hold on, block the pizza. Talk about this whole project next, because that's something crazy too. But let's start with this right here.
Hold on, you gotta hit him with the close up. You gotta hit him with the close up.
Oh, that's pretty
so
dope.
they know what's good. Woo, baby.
All right, talk about it. This motor came from a different country, right?
Yeah, everything was built to my specifications over in Australia with the boys at Billet Pro and ProMaz. Everything from the billet plates, all balanced, custom E-shaft, polishing, dry sump, oversized seals, studded, everything you could possibly do is done.
While he's talking, I'm eating the pizza in the background, so don't mind if this video is a little shaky. What are you expecting to put out of this?
On meth, when I'm set to kill, I should be around 1750 on spray.
Who's tuning it?
I'm having them tune it from Australia. So we're gonna fly the guy out here who built the motor. So this is about where the turbo is gonna sit.
Oh yeah!
Everyone has to know you're doing the majority of the work on this build yourself, right?
Pretty much all of it is me solo.
And a lot of welding is required, interior and exterior. So I actually want to talk about that, because if we got to talk about Rowdy's Garage, what is Rowdy's Garage known for? Like, what is your main line of business?
Doing custom fabrication. I have all the abilities here in this small little shop to not only fabricate almost anything.
Let's talk about, I mean, you got the custom roll cage for the M4 right here.
This is for the M4.
You did all that on your own?
This is all in-house, all TIG weld, all bent here, all notched here. This was all designed here, and we actually built it into the aluminum structure. So that's all a half-inch thick aluminum plate that was all made here.
I know a bunch of people that you've worked on projects for, and everybody has had great things to say about you. People have told me, like, Cody's not your average welder.
Yes.
And I like your tattoo right here, because it says flip it around, handmade, and then flip it around, you got the dying breed right there.
Yep.
Do you say you're dying breed because of your skills?
Yeah, I mean, the whole outlook on life, it's not just the skills, but it's the work ethic. Just, there's nothing easy about anything we do, and it's not just this, but it's everything that's brought me to this point.
Commercial break. Get your Fast Kids Club Eat Sleep Race 1, 2, 3 and ABC book available on eatsleeprace.com. Very important page right here on the ABC book, because it makes sense. Yo, check it out. You got the Skyline quarter panel. You got the Rotary motor. You can get this book on eatsleeprace.com along with the 1, 2, 3 book. So because you don't have a steering wheel, you know, we'll prop this up in there. All right, commercial break's over. Let's get into it.
So on the exterior, we are actually developing a whole carbon fiber body for the car. So
Everything's carbon fiber.
every panel, hood, trunk, quarters, side skirt, Kaiser Saline. He pretty much took my vision, brought it to life.
You're planning to race the car.
We'll definitely see a lot of heavy use in the roll racing side of things, and it will see a lot of street use.
Let's move on to what we're looking at right here. You got I showed the sneak peek of the motor. This is a Mazda RX-7.
Yeah, this is our boys over at Ripatoons.
Customer car.
Yep. So
All right.
Ripatoon's a very good friend of the shop and also a customer.
And they're known for working on a lot of
We're Hellcats. So
Hellcat powered RX-7. So you're doing all the fabric on this car.
yeah, we're gonna start motor mounts. We're gonna throw the blower back on. We're gonna start working, see what we gotta do for headers, full exhaust. I'm gonna be taking care of all the heavy duty fab side of things. It will be going back to Ripatoons. I'll be doing things like suspension, brakes, paint, the full 9. And then I think the plan is to give the car away.
Oh, so this is a giveaway car.
Yep, I think he wants to get it up and running, go show what it can do, and then he's gonna raffle it off, to my knowledge.
Make sure you follow the Instagram of Ripatoon right here, so you can get updates on the build. Pretty impressive to say Hellcat powered RX-7. All right, just called Cody out. I see the scooter and the skateboard over here. I said, could you do anything cool with it? And he confidently said yes. All right, hey. Hey.
We'll clean that one up.
Woo. All right, all right. Okay, all right. Hey. All right, Cody said it's been a minute since he's done anything on a skateboard, so this could be really good or really bad. Hey. Next time you gotta have the BMX over here. All right, y'all seen it. The multi-talented Cody himself.
That's it. Next time, it'll be warm. We can go ride the bike. We can.
They seen it earlier. It's cold and it's snowing outside. Oh man, you're doing it super official.
Hey.
I was just gonna plop it on right over there. Look at this guy. He's like, no, I gotta warm it up, prep it first.
Gotta make sure it's cold out, you know.
All this to put a sticker on.
Gotta do things right.
If this is how he puts a sticker on, you could just imagine how good his work is on cars. Shout out to the Fast Kids Club. For all the future racers out there.
There we go.
Starts with guys like Cody inspiring the future generation. We got more plans. We were upstairs talking about more pizza spots, so stay tuned.